Your owner's manual might claim that your transmission fluid lasts for a lifetime. But if you actually leave it on your car forever, your automatic transmission will grind itself to death from the inside out. If your car already has high mileage and you try to fix your transmission by dumping in fresh transmission fluid, you might instantly destroy the entire transmission on your drive home. Hello everyone, this is our dear from Advanced Mechanics, and in today's video, we're going to be breaking down the terrifying science that happens when you neglect your transmission fluid, and why the cure sometimes can kill your engine. Let's get into the video. Okay, so for you to understand the destruction, you first have to know what automatic transmission fluid or ATF actually does. Unlike regular engine oil, which mostly lubricates pistons and bearings, ATF is the hardest working fluid in your entire vehicle because it holds 4 jobs at the exact same time. The first job is that ATF provides hydraulic power. Your automatic transmission shifts gears using massive fluid pressure. ATF travels through a maze called the valve body, pushing valves to change gears. No fluid pressure, no movement. The second job is that it controls friction. Inside your transmission are stacks of clutch packs. They need the exact right amount of friction to grip together. ATF contains special additives that allow these clutches to grab smoothly without slipping. The third job is cooling. Operating a transmission creates intense friction, which creates a lot of heat. ATF acts as a coolant, carrying that heat to the radiator or transmission cooler. The fourth job is cleaning. ATF is packed with detergents that stop sludge formation in microscopic fluid passages. So now what happens when you reach 100,000 kilometers or 150,000 kilometers without changing your ATF? Well, the destruction happens in 3 stages. In the first stage, every single time you drive, stop and go in traffic and heavy acceleration, it subjects the ATF to extreme heat. Over time, the heat literally cooks the fluid. The protective additive breaks down. The color shifts from a healthy pink to a dirty brown and finally to a charred ink black. The fluid loses its ability to cool, causing the transmission to run hotter and hotter. The second stage is sludge formation. As the burnt fluid oxidizes, it turns into a thick varnish. This sticky sludge cakes on the internal gears and gets trapped inside the tiny solenoids. Because the fluid can't flow freely anymore, you will start noticing symptoms like delayed engagement when putting the car into drive, hard shifts, or a strange hesitation when trying to pass someone on the highway. The third stage is the mechanical grind. With the fluid lubrication properties completely gone, metal on metal wear begins. The internal clutch discs start shedding their friction material. Microscopic layers of metal shavings and grit slide directly off the component and drop straight into the oil sump. Now this brings us to the biggest mystery in automotive maintenance. Why do many people report that their transmission died after changing their old transmission fluid? Here is the mechanical truth. In a severely neglected transmission, those clutch plates are completely worn out smooth. The only reason they are still able to grip to each other and move your vehicle is because of all that gritty metal debris suspended in the dirty old oil. The dirt is acting like sandpaper, providing the necessary friction to keep the gears turning. If you take your vehicle to a garage and perform a high-pressure transmission flush, or sometimes even just completely draining the old transmission fluid, you pump in brand new fluid packed with fresh aggressive detergents. Those detergents instantly scrubs away all the life-saving grit out of your transmission. Now you have fresh transmission oil in a completely bad transmission. The clutches inside your transmission no longer grab. Your transmission starts slipping violently and your car leaves you stranded by the roadside. You didn't fix the car. The new transmission fluid exposed the transmission that was already dead. So how do you then protect your wallet? If your car's mileage is under 100,000 kilometers and the transmission fluid has never been changed, it is best to do a simple drain and fill. Avoid high pressure flushes that can dislodge debris. If your car's mileage is over 100,000 kilometers and the transmission has never been serviced, pull the dipstick, wipe it on a white paper towel. If it's dark brown but translucent, you might be safe to do a gentle drain and fill. But if it's pitch black, smells deeply burnt and has a metallic shimmer, please do not touch it. Leave it alone and start saving up for a new transmission because your car is living on borrowed time. So there you have it. The next time you're going to service your transmission for the first time, please look at the mileage on your vehicle. When your car dies after changing your transmission, do not blame it on your mechanic. You have a very big part to play on your car's maintenance. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and share this video. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of these videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.